Imagine a long road trip spanning several states or even across a small country. No pauses to refuel, no anxious hunts for charging stations, just continuous, quiet, smooth travel. This was once a distant dream for most electric vehicle owners, a fantasy of effortless distance. People often spoke of range anxiety, a common nagging concern. It limited the perceived utility of electric cars, making them seem best for short city commutes. Now, envision a new kind of vehicle. An electric car unlike any before, promising a journey from one major city to another on a single battery charge. Changan is the company behind this, making a grand entrance onto the global automotive stage. They present a remarkable claim, an electric vehicle with a 932-mile range, achieved without needing to plug in. This is not just an improvement, it is a fundamental game changer. This vehicle is more than just another EV. It represents a powerful statement, directly addressing the core limitation of previous generations, the sheer distance one can confidently cover. For many years, Tesla has led the pack, pushing boundaries and making electric cars desirable. But the quest for more miles, for greater battery capacity, never ceased. Changan's contender now steps into the spotlight with an astounding figure, over 900 miles of range. This single number has the power to shift perceptions dramatically. It redefines what we expect from long-distance electric journeys. The true innovation lies deep within, in a fundamental technological pivot. A new category of battery technology, promising more energy, more safety, and potentially more longevity. This is where the real story begins. What is the secret behind this amazing range? The answer lies in solid-state batteries. This technology is a significant advancement, a clear departure from current battery designs. It forms the very core of Changan's innovation. Solid-state batteries utilize solid materials for their components, including both the electrodes and the electrolyte. This structural change unlocks new performance possibilities. Solid electrolytes offer higher energy density. They can store significantly more energy within the same physical volume or weight. This translates to more power for the car, and often, a potentially longer operational life. Changan is at the forefront of this effort, bringing this advanced technology from the research laboratory to the showroom. It has been a complex scientific challenge, but it is now steadily moving towards becoming a commercial reality. This is a breakthrough years in the making, now poised for practical application. Today's electric vehicle batteries are quite good, but they are not without their limitations. One persistent concern revolves around safety. Liquid electrolytes can be flammable under certain conditions. Solid-state batteries present a clear benefit here. They are considered inherently more stable because the electrolyte is a solid material. This greatly reduces the risk of fire, even if the battery is punctured or stressed. Another significant advantage is potential longevity. Solid-state batteries may prove more durable, withstanding more charging and discharging cycles. This could mean a much longer useful lifespan for the vehicle's most expensive component, its battery, reducing long-term ownership costs and environmental impact from replacements. Tesla's current batteries are sophisticated, but solid-state technology offers a fundamental upgrade. Changan aims to deliver precisely this, a compelling package of more miles, enhanced safety, and extended battery life. This combination is hard to ignore. The electric vehicle market has its giants. Tesla is undoubtedly the most recognized name, driving much of the innovation. But other major automotive players are also active. Companies like Volkswagen, BYD, and Ford are investing heavily in their electric futures. Changan's announcement, backed by this technology, is a particularly audacious move. It represents a direct challenge to the leaders, not just on the crucial metric of range, but also on the grounds of technological superiority. It sends a clear signal to the industry that new entrants can innovate with significant impact. If Changan can successfully deliver its promised 932-mile range EV at scale, it could profoundly alter market dynamics. Consumers consistently cite range as a top priority. They also increasingly value safety and longevity. Changan appears to be targeting these desires with a very compelling offering. Production timelines, however, are critical. Changan must now demonstrate its manufacturing prowess. The global automotive world is watching with a mixture of excitement and skepticism. Creating functional solid-state batteries is difficult, but manufacturing them in vast quantities for millions of vehicles is exponentially harder. There are numerous technical hurdles to overcome. Maintaining consistent high performance across every single battery cell produced, ensuring stringent quality control standards. These are monumental industrial tasks. Cost is another formidable barrier. New, advanced technologies often start out expensive. Changan faces the crucial task of making these solid-state batteries affordable. If their vehicles are to reach the broad market and not just a niche segment, supply chains for the new materials involved must be securely established and scaled up. Solid-state batteries may use different elements or different purities of existing materials. Sourcing these components reliably is essential. Ensuring compatibility with existing charging networks or contributing to the development of new ones are practical considerations that cannot be overlooked. Changan must navigate these challenges to bring their innovation to the masses. Changan will not be launching this innovation into a static or unresponsive marketplace. Competitors will undoubtedly react, and quickly. Tesla, for instance, is renowned for its agility and continuous drive for innovation. Other major automotive and battery companies are also deeply invested in solid-state research. The race is on, and it is intense. Brand recognition and consumer trust play a significant role in car buying. Tesla has cultivated a powerful global brand associated with cutting-edge electric technology. Changan is a well-established brand in China, but building that same level of trust and desirability in international markets will require substantial time and investment. Consumer adoption of a relatively new brand depends on many factors. Changan must deliver convincingly on all fronts to convert initial interest into actual sales. The global automotive market is complex, and Changan faces these multifaceted realities as it aims for a global footprint. Electric vehicles are widely recognized as a cornerstone of cleaner transportation. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, helping to combat urban air pollution and reduce greenhouse gas contributions. Changan's advanced EV contributes positively to this crucial global environmental goal. Solid-state batteries themselves hold the promise of being even greener than current technologies. They might require smaller quantities of cobalt or other materials whose mining raises ethical or environmental concerns. Intensive research is currently underway to optimize their material composition. Longer battery lifespan also translates directly into less environmental waste. If batteries can endure more charge cycles and remain effective for more years, the overall environmental impact is reduced. Changan's efforts align perfectly with a broader global push towards more sustainable solutions. It's about pursuing responsible innovation that contributes to a healthier planet for current and future generations. The ongoing journey of electric mobility is gaining speed and momentum. Changan's 932-mile EV serves as a significant new milestone. It vividly demonstrates what is now possible. It pushes the established boundaries farther than many experts thought achievable. This is far more than just a new car model. It stands as a potent symbol of progress, a tangible manifestation of a technological revolution unfolding on our roads and highways. The future of driving is undoubtedly electric. Companies like Changan are actively shaping this exciting future through their commitment to bold innovations. The road ahead remains fascinating, filled with challenges and immense promise. Changan has now fired a significant shot across the bow of the automotive industry. The entire world watches with keen interest to see how this development transforms the landscape of electric vehicles forever.